In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background Figma tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an image in Figma and quickly remove its background using a plugin so your subject stands out cleanly on a transparent canvas. First, open the Figma website in your browser and sign in so you're working inside your account. From your dashboard, open the file and the specific page where you want to work. Make sure the image you plan to edit is already on the canvas and visible. Ready here simply means it's placed in your design and easy to select. Click the image layer once so it's highlighted. This helps the plugin know which item to work on. Next, open Actions. This is the quick command panel in Figma that lets you search for features and plugins without digging through menus. You can click the search field at the top of the interface or use the command palette shortcut if you're comfortable with it. With the Actions panel open, choose Plugins. This narrows your search to tools that can enhance or automate tasks. It's a simple way to find what you need without leaving your file or losing focus. Now, enter Magic Cut in the search field. Magic Cut is a plugin that identifies the subject in your image and removes the background around it. When you select it, the plugin will open and analyze the image you already have selected. Give it a moment to load. The speed depends on the size and complexity of your image. Inside Magic Cut, select the part of the image you want to keep. Focus on the main subject. This could be a person, a product, a logo, or any object you want to isolate. Use the plugin's selection tools to indicate your subject clearly. If the edges don't look quite right on the first pass, take a second to refine them. Zoom in around hair, hands, or thin objects so the cutout feels natural and doesn't leave halos. Clean edges make a big difference when you place the subject over a new background later. When you're happy with the selection, click Apply. The plugin will process your selection and remove the background, leaving your subject on a transparent layer. You'll see the result in your canvas right away. If anything looks off, simply undo and repeat the selection to refine it further. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, open your page, make sure your image is ready, use Actions to reach plugins, enter Magic Cut, select what you want to keep, and apply. With a clear subject and careful selection, you'll get a crisp, professional background removal in just a few clicks.